Put a little fishy on a little dishy. Put a big fishy on a big dishy. I don't care. I love fish. So today we're cooking all things fish. Well, not all things fish. Actually, 2 fish. We're cooking salmon and sea bass. We're going to pan roast the salmon because there's a thicker fish. Nice crispy skin. Nice succulent fresh. Fresh? Flesh. The sea bass, I'm going to show you how to cook it in a pan. Nothing else in the oven. It comes out perfect every time, yes. Chop chop. Now this is probably the most important part of this video. Oil, parchment, then oil again. Cold pan. Dry your fish off. It's not going to crisp up if it's full of water. Skin side down, cold pan. Turn your pan on to a high heat. About 4 minutes, skin will go crispy like this. This is what we're after. Now it goes into the oven. In a roasting dish, a little bit of parchment again, 180 degrees. About 6 to 8 minutes, I would say. It's going to be less if it's nearer the tail end. The flesh is a lot thinner. That's what we're after. Nice crispy skin. Exactly the same for the sea bass. Oil, parchment, oil. Dry the fish off, skin and flesh side. Then in a cold pan. Turn it up to a good heat. Now what you want to be looking for is when the sides of the fish, the flesh is starting to cook. It's starting to go opaque like this. Then turn the heat off to the pan. Flip your fish over. The residual heat in the pan will finish off cooking the fish nice and gently. You don't really want to get a crust on top of your sea bass. It can make the fish go dry. Now we're going to make a sauce vierge. Easiest sauce in the world. Tomatoes, parsley and garlic. A little bit of olive oil. Stir it up. Bit of salt and pepper if you like. Gorgeous. Lovely little salsa for our fish. So that's the sea bass finished. Nice crispy skin on top of the potatoes. And a little bit of the sauce vierge over the top. Beautiful. So fresh. So healthy. Lovely, lovely meal. And here's the salmon. Look how juicy that flesh is after being pan roasted. Again, on top of the potatoes. A bit of broccoli to take that 5 a day. Gorgeous. If you want to learn how to cook awesome food, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and let me know what you thought in the comments.